How to enroll in Bank of America online banking. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and then type in bankofamerica.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Bank of America. Bank of America is one of the world's leading financial institutions, serving individuals, small and middle market businesses, large corporations, and governments with a full range of banking, investment management, and other financial and risk management products and services. Now, over here, you will find this login section. You will see this option of enroll over here. You have to click on it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now from here, you can easily enroll for your online banking service. You have to fill this, provide your details, card number or account number, last 6 digit. Likewise, type in social security number or tax ID number, TIN. In the case you don't have SSN or TIN, click on this option. Now you have to provide these details. Provide your checking or savings account number, likewise ATM or debit card number, ATM or debit card PIN. Once you fill all these, click on the option of continue. With that, you will be good to go. In the case you have SSN or TIN, you have to fill these and click on continue. With that, your online banking service will be activated. So this way you can easily enroll in Bank of America online banking. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.